me taste my skin.
Come on.
Hi, well,
Audio Jungle.
welcome back to Amara's kitchen. We're going to be making.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, welcome to my channel. Today I got my two daughters here with me. So tomorrow is Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers in the world. Happy Mother's Day. And tomorrow as well is my daughter's 9th birthday. So we're kind of doing collaboration. Yeah, kind of mother-daughter celebration kind of a thing. Yes, so we're gonna be doing two cakes. So one for me, for my Mother's Day cake. We're gonna get up. So one for my birthday. Did I say birthday? Sorry. So we're doing two cakes. He's kind of getting me distracted. Can you move away from there? So we're doing two cakes, one for Mother's Day and the other cake for her birthday. Yes, the same day, birthday, Mother's Day. So we're kind of, working together to make this fun for us. So they'll be doing the baking today. She'll be baking one of the cake and she'll be baking one of the cake. So all I'm going to be doing is just to ask them questions, the steps, what they are doing at any given opportunity, any given time. So what they are adding in the cake and what. So they'll be telling us everything. I'll be asking the questions and they'll be telling. So I'm not going to be helping. Well, if they need my help, yeah, I can help. But basically, mainly they'll be doing the baking. So guys, stay tuned for this delicious recipe. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload any video on this channel. Yes. So guys, keep watching. So good luck to both of you. So
Get off me.
So guys, let's get started. What is the first step? The first thing you need to do for the cake?
I'm gonna add this first.
And what's that?
The mix.
So what are you using for your own mix?
I am going to use water, oil, and eggs. 3 eggs.
So do you want to read the instructions? You guys are using the pack one, like the cake mix, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what is on this instruction? What does the instruction say?
You need 1 cup of water, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs.
Be careful, you're gonna rip everything everywhere if you do it that way, so you have to use the scissors. So that's why I'm here to correct them, because if I should let them do it, they might she's gonna spill the cake all over the place. You almost did if I didn't say use the scissors. You just wanted to rip it open like that.
Put everything in.
Well, what does the instruction say? Okay. So what's the next thing you need to do? If
Get a cup of water, so I'm just gonna blade.
a cup of water?
Yes.
Oh, okay, she's using it. So Chama, you already got your 1 cup of water. Gonna add that in. Okay, then you can pass the cup to this lady over here.
Can I pour it in anything? No.
You wanna help?
Yeah.
Oh,
Maybe you can do the oil.
I guess they said that. Can he help pour the water in for you? Good job.
Yeah.
So what's the next step over here? Adding oil.
Yeah.
Oops. Making a mess. It's okay. Just pour that in, then you can clean it up later. You want to pass the oil cup and
Can I do I don't need this. No, we're not using this one. Oh yeah, we are. Oil, please. Nice and clean. Thank you. Oh, so don't. Put it on the table.
Oops. Yeah, making a lot of mess.
Clean to dirty.
So what's the next step, Chalma?
We need 3 eggs.
3 eggs.
One.
Can I do 1 egg?
Okay, but don't make too much of a mess. Yeah, that's actually a good one. Oh.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, jeez.
I'll clean my hand, don't worry.
He's like, I'll clean my hands, don't worry. And he doesn't even care that he put all the eggshells in your cage.
That was a mistake to let him do it.
Not do the egg.
Can I please have some paper towel?
Yeah, I got some paper towels here. There's a lot of them, just wasting it. You should have taken just one. What?
It already smells good.
It already smells good.
Yeah.
Do you want to put any kind of flavor in it, like vanilla flavor or anything?
No.
Okay.
Chocolate.
Just asking.
I already finished stirring mine.
You need to stir it more up more.
Tell me when to stop.
What? You're not even stirring. Look at him. Stir, 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 stir. Use both hands. Stir. I'll hold it. Okay, it's my turn.
Mine is the best. Let's try this one.
No, don't do that.
Okay, is it time to put them in the baking pan now?
No,
Yeah.
it still has bumps.
It has bumps.
Yes.
Then go a little bit
Me and
faster.
Travis still has bumps.
Alright, so what's the next step now that you guys are done mixing up everything
Now we're gonna put it inside.
inside the baking pan? Do you want to, no? Oh, yeah, do you want to put the non-spray, cooking spray?
Oh yeah.
So you need to spray that and yeah, so I'm here to direct. My job is direction.
Can I
So-
help doing it? Can I do
I
it?
don't think so.
I don't think he knows how to.
Wrong way. He's gonna spray it on himself.
Oh, this.
You want to do it yourself? Oops.
Oh, I thought it was just spray on me.
There you go. That's enough. That's enough. Now use the paper towel to. Shama, that's enough. Use paper towel to clean it up properly. Then do on this side too. Be careful, don't spray on your face.
We're not doing it on our face. How about you hold the
And I can pinky is not strong go up. No.
That's not his pinky. Here.
This is. I want to try.
Wait, is it recording?
Can you stop shaking and just squeeze the thing? You can't. If I just do it, we're wasting too much time. But you don't know how to. Here. You just need to press harder. Here. There. That's enough. That's oh shoot.
That's enough. That's enough.
So use the paper towel to clean it up. You wanna do that one? Here.
Yes.
Now use this paper towel to wipe the excess stuff that you put in there.
Whoa.
Can I try? Someone close the door, bro.
No.
Okay, what's the next thing? Time to pour in, right?
Yep. We
That's
already
fine.
got it all sprayed, so now we can put it.
Do you want to remove the mixer out from the batter?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Like, can I use this one?
No.
Why use that one?
We're done with milk. I've always wanted to do this part.
Remember, you pour half of it. And then the other half goes in the other pan as well. Yeah, it's a spatula.
Can I try?
No.
Please.
I'm still pouring it.
Yeah, I need help. Make sure you're holding the bowl properly.
I think this one. This one.
Yeah.
Try to go with first. He's writing down that. Are you done?
Nope. Well, actually, I might.
Trying to make sure I got everything out. Yeah. Okay. If I do need help.
I think I got it. The last piece.
So guys, what's the next thing you need to do right now?
We put it in the oven.
Yeah, I think I can hear the sound of the oven is ready too. Okay, go on.
Let's try
I'm gonna do this one first.
How do we do this?
We're doing that last.
No, he can help you.
So we finished making the cake.
Such a
So
good
now
friend.
we're going to. We finished baking the cake. And now we're going to decorate the cakes. And these are not meant to be here because we started eating it earlier. So we will start now. Wait, what do I do with this? We flip it over.
Yeah. Let me see. Balam.
Voila.
Yeah, the second one.
There. That's on the front. So we're going to cut off the top.
You want to cut it off?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So if you want to cut it off, then. Okay, but that's. Hi guys, so I got here some decorating
And we're not getting rid of
plates.
it.
Yeah, we go with this one. So go ahead and put the one that I already cut.
You guys are going to be making the bottom.
Okay, can you go rub your own together?
No! Are you going to be and not go ahead?
Oh yeah?
Who makes that not from there? Whispering. No, nothing.
Okay, can we continue with running late behind? So what's the next thing that goes there?
White frosting.
White frosting. Wanna use this?
Can I taste the white frosting?
No. I tasted mine. I already have one.
Sprinkles, do you want to add? Yeah, let me add a little bit more here.
Can I add that one and this side?
Okay. Okay, it's done. All right, guys, so this is the cake. We are done with the cake. I hope they did a good job. Looking nice. So that's mine. This is Happy Mother's Day. Yeah, I think we did a good job. I don't care if it's beautiful or not, but we did an amazing job. Yes, they tried. And this is for my daughter that is 9. Happy 9th birthday to her. So this is what it looks like. Looks so nice. So guys, happy Mother's Day to all of you out there. Happy Mother's Day to expecting moms, and happy Mother's Day to TTC. I wish you all success. I wish you all that God grant you all your heart desires. May God grant you all as many children as you wish to get. Yes, that's my prayers to you guys on this wonderful Mother's Day. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. And may God Almighty bless you all. Bye.